In the history of science, we often find that the study of some natural phenomena has been the starting point in the development of a new branch of knowledge. A very warm, cheerful morning to management, respectful principal, teachers and my dear friends. I am Mitashri along with my team welcome you all in the pleasant morning assembly. Now I would like to call Ajira to deliver importance of the day. Morning one and all. Today's important Sir C.V. Raman is one of the C.V. Raman is one of the most renowned scientists produced by India. His full name was Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. For his pioneering work of scattering of light, C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman was born on November 7, 1883 in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. He was the second child of Chandrasekhara Iyer and Parvatayama. His father was lecturer in maths and physics, so he had an academic atmosphere at home. He entered Presidency College in Madras 1902 and in 1904 passed his BA examination, winning the first place and the gold medal in physics in 1907. C.V. Raman passed his MA, obtaining the highest distinction during this time. There were not many opportunities for scientists in India. Therefore, in 1907, after his office hour, he carried on cultivation of science at Kolkata. Thank you. Jira, it was informative. Great person made great wonders and teachers teach everyone about life. I would like to call Atharva to say a few words about Sir C.V. Raman.
C.V. Raman was the first Indian scholar who studied wholly in India, received the Nobel Prize. C.V. Raman is the most renowned scientist produced by India. His full name was Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. For his pioneering work on scattering of light, C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman was born on November 7, 1883 in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, and he died on 21 November 1970 in Bengaluru. He was the second child of Chandrasekhara Iyer and Parvati Amma. His father was lecturer in maths and physics, so he had one academic atmosphere at home. Thank you one and all. Have a wonderful Wednesday.
Good thought make a happy person. Now I request Monica to say thought for the day. Morning everyone. Today's thought of the day. Education is the best friend. An educated person respect everywhere. Education breeds the beauty and the youth. I repeat it. Education is the best friend. An educated person is respected everywhere. Education breeds the beauty and the youth. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Thank you, Monica. It was very thoughtful. Something is amazing when it is very surprising and make you feel pleasure. Now I would request Amina to say amazing fact.
Good morning everyone. Amazing fact on C.V. Raman. Raman was first Indian director of India Institute of Science. This was also a historical moment in 1936 since during the Constitution era also director of before Raman were British. Raman was also appointed as the first national professor of India by the newly appointed independent India is 1947. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Amina. It was amazing. With a new day comes a new thought, new strength and new information. Now I would like to call Nur Fatima to say today's news.
Good morning one and all. Today's news, international news. Mohan Gupta, a 46-year-old businessman, came from a family that has deep ties with India defense and industry. National news. President Ram Nath Kovind on Wednesday present at the Padma Shri K.V. Venkatesh, who lead India at the first Olympic Games in 2009. The country won 17 medals that year. Sports news. Virat Kohli had accounted his decision to give up T20 captaining before World Cup. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Nur Fatima. Now let's have a quiz. For that, I would like to call Mubashir. Today's quiz question. First question. What is the full name of Dr. C.V. Raman? Correct answer. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. Second question. When was Dr. C.V. Raman born? Correct answer. I repeat my question. The answer is scattering of light. When did Dr. C.V. Raman receive Nobel Prize?
Correct answer. When was Dr. C.V. Raman was awarded the Bharat Ratna Award? The correct answer is 1954. By what name Dr. C.V. Raman discovery is known as? Answer. The correct answer is Raman effect. When did Dr. C.V. Raman die? 21st November. Dr. C.V. Raman died. Correct answer. National Science Day is celebrated to commemorate the discovery by? Correct answer. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Mubashir. Thank you, one and all. Have a nice day.